All right, creators, let's have a little money talk. You know what's fun? Making content. You know what's even more fun? Getting paid for it. Most people think making money online is this complicated, time-consuming, you really need a million followers kind of thing. But what if I told you that AI just made passive income stupid easy? Yet, AI can now create, automate, and even sell for you while you're busy living your best life. Whether it's AI-generated ebooks, digital products, memberships, or fully automated sales funnels, AI is your new money-making bestie. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to monetize your content, so you can wake up to sales instead of just notifications. Let's turn your AI-powered creativity into real income. Let's go. AI-generated digital products? Sell what you create. Here's the tea, digital products are the easiest way to make money online. No inventory, no shipping, no overhead costs, just instant downloads and unlimited sales. And guess what? AI can now create high-quality digital products for you. What kind of digital products can AI create? AI-generated ebooks and workbooks, sell guides, journals, and prompts. AI, art, and printables. From posters to coloring pages, AI can generate it. AI-powered templates and printables, Canva templates, planners, and more. AI-generated music and voiceovers, sell AI-powered soundtracks and narrations. Example AI prompt. Create a 10-page ebook about using AI for passive income with an engaging introduction, a step-by-step guide, and a call to action at the end. Best AI tools for creating digital products. ChatGPT and Jasper AI for AI-generated ebooks and guides. MidJourney and DALL-E for AI-powered digital art and printables. Canva AI and Adobe Firefly design AI-generated templates and planners. Pro tip: if it solves a problem, it can sell. AI just makes it faster and easier to create. AI for memberships and subscription models make money on autopilot. One-time sales are great, but you know what's even better? Recurring revenue. That wake up to money energy. And AI is making membership-based businesses easier than ever. How AI automates membership and subscription-based businesses. AI-powered newsletters and content subscriptions get paid for exclusive content. AI-generated online courses and coaching programs sell knowledge on autopilot. AI-powered communities and premium memberships set up VIP content and experiences. Thus, AI tools for membership and subscription models. Substack and Behave AI for AI-powered premium newsletters. Thinkific and Kajabi AI for AI-powered course creation. ManyChat AI and Zapier automate memberships and lead nurturing. Pro tip: the key to passive income is automated value. Let AI create and deliver it for you. AI-powered sales and affiliate marketing. Sell 24/7. Okay, so you've got digital products, memberships, or an online course. Now, how do you actually make sales? AI is about to do all the heavy lifting for you. Let's talk AI-powered sales and affiliate marketing. How AI can sell for you while you sleep. AI-powered sales funnels automate the entire buying process. AI-generated email sequences nurture and convert leads on autopilot. AI chatbots and customer support answer frequently asked questions and close sales for you. AI-driven affiliate marketing earn commissions by promoting AI-powered tools. Best AI tools for sales and affiliate marketing: ConvertKit and MailChimp AI for AI-driven email sales funnels. ManyChat AI and ChatGPT bots for AI-powered chatbots that close deals. Tapfiliate and PartnerStack AI, AI-powered affiliate marketing automation. Pro tip: selling doesn't have to feel salesy. AI makes it seamless, automated, and authentic. Create and launch your first AI-powered passive income stream. All right, creators, it's time to turn your AI-powered content into real income. Here's your challenge. Step 1. Use AI to create a digital product, ebook, template, AI art, or printable. Step 2. Set up an AI-powered sales funnel to automate sales. Step 3. Use AI to generate marketing content and social media promotions. Step 4. Launch it and tag me on Instagram at Angelina Mi Lajki. I want to see your AI-powered income stream. And just like that, you now know how to turn AI-powered content into real income. No more creating for free. No more just doing it for fun. AI is your new business partner, and it's ready to work for you. Next up, we're diving into AI for scaling your business, because once you start making money, the next step is growing it and automating it for real freedom. See you there.